Good morning, everyone. For this morning meditation, you are welcome to sit on the couch or have your back against the wall on your bed, or you can sit on the ground. So there's many ways that you can meditate. It is about getting comfortable so we can dive deep and cultivate a sense of balance and well-being. To sit on the chair, you can place a pillow behind you. And here I will show you what I normally do. I use a blanket and roll, like a little sushi roll. You can place this in your car or in your office chair. And that will remind you a spine to sit upright. So you can place a blanket like this way along your spine. Or you can bring it down and where that your lower back has some sort of support. You can cross your ankle. Now bring your arm behind your chair. Press against the chair as you look up. Move your neck. Breathe open and gently. Now do a couple sitting rotation. Your hand behind your head and then support your neck. As you stretch your side, round your spine, and move up on another side. Connect with your breath. And then slide your hand all the way down to the earth. And just let yourself hang in here. Let go your head. Your arm, everything heavy, drafting over your chair. To go deeper, you can cup the back of your head with your arm and allow the weight of your arm to carry the back of your neck. Elongate your spine further as you breathe down. When you're ready to come up, just slowly rise so you won't feel dizzy. Now find your neutral state of position. Close your eye and exhale. Release any expectation. Including knowing that you're trying to meditate. There is no trying here. Just simply be the way you are. A pause in between work, thoughts, feeling. Easy in your body. Allow your breath to flow and expand. It's natural for our mind to attach to any thoughts and feeling. And the moment that you notice, and you just allow the image, the thoughts to fade and allow it to be behind you as you connect with your breath again. Sense the physical connection that you work with, your pillow, chair, your hand that touch your leg, your feet on the ground. The aroma in your space. The sensation in your body. The temperature in the air. Allow yourself to step on the side and become an observer. What do you observe? Take another deep inhalation. And you may continue. Feel free to move your neck. And stretch. Arm behind you. Press the back of your chair as you open your heart. And exhale, bow down all the way toward to the floor. And let yourself hang in here. Thank you. And I'm looking forward to see you soon. Namaste.